Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell because you can find here a lot of music theory lessons, a lot of violin lessons, and like for example today I am doing reviewing on some products, some violin products. I am talking about these two babies. Well, I'm supposed to remove this, but then I'll destroy the box and the picture. So anyway, it is what it is, yeah? So, for a long time I was planning to change my old chin rest, look just like this. Well, in general it was comfortable for me. The only thing, it was as usual the problem for the violin players here, and because this part they are made from metal, I used to have a allergy here from the metal parts, and I used to all the time have to cover with something, and I got tired of it and I wanted to change it. These days we have a lot of possibilities and there is so many new products, and mine they were big like this. I didn't know what to choose. And then I found this chin rest and this is the shoulder rest. They can work on their own. You can get only chin rest and you can get only shoulder rest, and everything is made of plastic. The coolest thing is that they can work together like one part. So there is one be separate part chin rest and separate part the shoulder rest. They can work together. So this is was for me catch. Like, wow, look how cool is it? Yeah, and I bought it. It was a little bit scary for me because I didn't really knew if the chin rest will be good for me or shoulder rest will be good for me. But about this we will talk a little bit later. Right now I want you to see unboxing of these two babies and assembling on a violin. Have fun! didn't want to do that review immediately because the chin rest and the shoulder rest, you know, you have to get used to, you have to understand actually how it works for you while you're practicing, while you're playing, you know, all those details. The feeling, it's, I don't know, for me it's very comfortable. It's like the chin rest, it's even not there. And I never could imagine that the middle chin rest will be so good for me. I saw a lot of violinists there using middle chin rest, but I never thought it will be good for me. The shoulder rest, well, it looks smaller than usually, but because all this construction actually you can adjust in a way that it's comfortable for you. Everything, it stays fixed. The only thing that you have to do, you have to find that right place for you, you know, right place for the shoulder rest on your shoulder and the for chin rest. For chin rest, it's kind of easier because here you just have to figure out what height you need, you know, and for the shoulder rest, you just have to adjust what way you like it to be, you know. And then after, my favorite part, to take out the shoulder rest, you just have to unlock here, and that's it. And that's it. It's not so difficult. And then to put it back, you just have to again lock it, and it's not moving. It's not moving at all. Well, okay, a little bit. It is moving, but it's fine. For me personally, it worked, but don't forget that chin rest and the shoulder rest, it's very personal. So what is good for me might be not very good for you, might be not very comfortable for you, yeah. So always listen advices of somebody, especially when you are watching the videos on the YouTube, but make decision on your own. Do you really need that change? Do you think it will be more comfortable for you? Press on the bell to get notification about a new video, and you will learn something new and even more. Bye!